The biggest mistake you can make in your business is not tracking. Because if you're not tracking, then you can't possibly know how many clicks you're getting, what's your top source that's coming in with your clicks, nor do you know your conversion rate. Hi, my name is Willie Jr. and today I'm going to show you some simple yet effective ways that you can start checking all of your links across the board. For most of us online, we may have 15, 20, even 30 different links on the web at one given time. So I'm going to show you a simple yet effective way to track those links and to run split tests on those links if you so desire. Okay, so let's get started. Right now we're in the back office of my account, and I started here because I want to show you the power of actually knowing where your clicks is coming from and where you should spend most of your effort. So right now we can see the bulk of my clicks for this particular month is coming from Empower Network. Then we see next up is my business presentation for my MLM company. Then of course some other products that I promote and things like that. Then you see only 3 people will rather go directly to the sales page versus going to Empower Network where they actually watch the video. So information like that can be very useful. And when you scroll down, we can see like what's my best days, what's my slow days, things like that. But here's where it gets interesting. We get to see where all our clicks are coming from. So for example, 25% of my clicks are coming from directly from the source, which is prevo.linktracker.com. And you can see that right here. Then when we go to direct traffic, I'm getting 23% there. So here's what you should look at. On stumbleupon.com, I'm getting 4 clicks. EmpowerNetworker.com, I'm getting 0.94%, which is only 1 click. Then you see right here we got 16 clicks from YouTube. So right now, for me, YouTube is very profitable for me. That's where I should be spending most of my time, at YouTube. Then of course abc3k.com, I got 6 clicks. And when we scroll down, we can see how that breaks down, which is pretty important. And these right here just tells you your clicks. Over here, I'm not tracking conversions because with most affiliate programs, you can't track the conversions. It's almost impossible. You can only track your clicks. Now, if you're selling your own product, then you can definitely track your conversions. But to track your conversion, you'll have to put another script on the thank you page. And unfortunately, you don't control the thank you page because you're just an affiliate. When you scroll down, you can see what browsers are being used the most. So for me, you can see that a lot of my traffic comes from Chrome. So a lot of people are on Google Chrome when they're actually clicking my links, which I actually find to be pretty surprising because most people would be on Firefox or Mozilla. But nevertheless, that's helpful information. When you scroll down a little bit more, you get to see like the total number of clicks from each browser. Then you get to see like what you're reaching. So in the United States, I got 88 clicks locally. Russia, the Ukraine, United Kingdom, Roman, Canada. So you basically get to see like how far is your marketing reaching. So right now, I would say my marketing is reaching quite a few places, which is actually pretty cool when you think about it. So let's take an in-depth look at one of these up close and see how do we actually go about getting something like this going for you. So right here, I figured the best one I could actually use was Empower Networker. And the reason why I'm using Empower Networker is because Empower Networker, fresh out the box, is like most affiliate programs. And what they do is they offer you different landing pages where within those landing pages you can pick which landing page you want to send your prospect to. But wouldn't you like to know which landing page converts the best? Now, although it's almost slightly impossible for you to determine which landing page converts the best. What you can do is see which landing page brings in you the most leads. So right now, of course, you would just put your name right here. So of course I'm going after Empower Networker. I put my URL. So whatever your affiliate URL will go right here. You'll put your tracking. So I put pre-vote because online my username is pre-vote for everything. So I put pre-vote, then I put linktracker.com, which they gonna fill out that part. Then I put what I want it to be. Empower Network is a marketing system, so I just put marketing system. And as you can see in the groups, it's up under affiliate program. So down here, the cool thing about it is you can override whatever Empower Networker has, and you can put marketing training Empower Network. So I should have put marketing training system. So I would just backspace and just put system. Then after that, you can put something right here that gets people to click it. Of course, you put your meta keywords here. You can put a URL of an image right there if you like. When you scroll down, the cloak this link and hide the bar. I'll show you what that is in a second, because it gives you the potential to have more visitors. It helps you capitalize on every single person you get. Of course, we got that at the top, and I made this visible to search engines. Now, this is the part right here where it gets into your split testing. So when it comes to your split testing, you can see that I have 4 different landing pages up in here, and all 4 of these are actually from Empower Network. And over here to your right, you'll notice where it asks me what value do I want to assign to each one. So when you assign a value, if I wanted to, I can have these numbers be whatever I want it to be, as long as it totals out to 100% down here. So if I wanted to give this one 50, that one 50, and split this one 25%, but amongst these two, I could have done that. But for this particular split test, I wanted to keep the traffic even. So if I keep it even, that means that each one of these get the same amount of traffic to them. And the cool part about it is these clicks is coming directly from the URL at the top, which I'll show you that in a second. Then down here, of course, you can enable your conversion. This is for when you're doing your own. And if you're doing your own thing, you would just copy this and put your tracking conversion on your pixels on your thank you page. And I can show you an example of that because I actually have a product, so I'll show you on that particular product how it works and things like that. So let's scroll up to the top and let's click right here. And right here, what it's going to do is show you the differences in the pages. And at the top, the first thing I want you to notice is what's going on at the top. So when you look at the top, you'll notice you get the option to tweet it out, to Google Plus it, or click stumble upon. And then you get all your Facebook options. Now, let's say somebody decided not to opt in right here. If they decided not to opt in right here, they just might actually share this, or if they find a lot of value in it, then they might share it with their list, with their social list. Over here, when you get into affiliate marketing and things like that, you have to have a few things in place, like your disclosure. So when I click disclosure, it automatically lets them know that this could be an affiliate product. I could be making an affiliate commission or some other type of incentive, because I know with certain ones, they don't give you money, but they give you like points and things like that. Then of course you got the info tab, which basically just tells them that it's a cloak URL, and if they want to see the real one, click right here. Pretty simple stuff. Now up here is what I want you to notice, because this is what's known as forwarding and masking. So what I've done up here is I've masked the URL, and that means that you can't see my affiliate link. So if you can't see the affiliate link up here, then I don't have to worry about anyone trying to steal my commissions, even though it's not as bad as it used to be. But still, you want to make sure your work efforts isn't going in vain. So right here, you forwarded it, or rather you masked it. You masked your link, and more importantly, you can place this link anywhere and it'll be a clickable link. So right now, let's go back over here, and what's going to happen is it's going to take me to a 100% different page. Oh, okay, it's not going to take me to a 100% different page because I have cookies enabled. So let's go down here for a second and let's enable that. And what cookies does is, what this does is show the same URL to the same person all the time. So for temporarily, I'm going to take that off. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back up here now and I'm going to click it. And I highly recommend you keep that on because you want to make sure that you keeping your message congruent between the different people. So what it'll do is drop a cookie up in their browser, and every time they click that button, it'll take them back to the same one. Now this right here is another one, and this is really basically the split testing that we're talking about. You can do this for your personal landing pages as well. You simply just click the button, and every time they click the button, then they'll automatically be taken to a different one. It's really just that simple when it comes to split testing. When you scroll down here, you can see I have 4 different ones, and each one of those 4 gets 25% of all my clicks. And that's pretty much it for the split testing. Like, it's just that simple. Really quickly, with the conversions, let me just tick that right quick, save that back. With the conversions, the way this will work is you would just simply take the image, because I always use this one, I don't know why, it's a habit. You just take this one, and what happens is you will place this code on your thank you page. And what that means is every time a person click your link and they see this, that tells the system that you had a conversion. And up here you can put the conversion name and the dollar amount. So if it's not money, then you could just put lead. If it's not a lead and it is money, then you can put the dollar amount. Up here you can put the conversion name that you want it to be. It's just that simple. So right now I'm about to take you to the front end of the system that I'm using. This is the service that I'm using. It's called Link Tracker. You'll find the link in the bottom, and you can simply come over here, take a look at it, get to know it a little bit better. So, in summing it up, when you're marketing, you want to make sure that you're tracking everything, because tracking is what's going to allow you to truly see where you should spend most of your time at. You should be tracking your URLs. You should be masking your URLs, and you should, above all else, be doing split tests to see which one outperforms the other one, and from there take the strongest one and build on that. To learn more about marketing strategies that work, visit EliteMarketingEmpire.com. This is Willie Prevost Jr. from Elite Marketing Empire saying thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Till next time, take massive action. Happy marketing.